5 red apples tall. The bridge to the final chapter by Christopher Mendoza. Come on, Anne-Marie, let's go to the forest and do a little apple picking. Stick with me and you'll never get lost. Right, Puff? Correction! On this shady forest, you can look at the trees, hear the birds chirp, and pick fruits. Fruits? Yes. Like those apples in that tree are very crunchy. A tasty fruit is just juice inside that has someone climb up and start chewing them now. Whoa! Your problem is you're trying to act so brave when he's trying to earn inner happiness. Oh wait, that was my problem. Let's not be distracted for any humorous time we got. Can't say we're a little bit hungry for sweet pies. Bum bum bum. Just look at them, thanking the dragon. Astro Bomb. Trodfather. Maybe we can pluck teeth from them? I prefer the mermaid's teeth, you know what I mean?